Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me. My name is Juan Morales, Senior Staff Field Application Engineer for SmartHQ service here at GE Appliances. In this video, we will demonstrate how to utilize the SmartHQ service app to quickly and easily update the firmware on GE products. For this example, we'll be using a GE profile dishwasher to show you all of the steps involved. Now, before we get started, let's quickly talk about why you would need to update the firmware in the first place. For one thing, updates are often necessary to ensure the appliance operates at an optimum level of performance. You may also come across a service bulletin that requires you to perform an update to fix a software-related issue. SmartHQ service eliminates the need for you to have to order a software update module or replace a board, and in some cases, multiple boards on the appliance. Of course, this is a great benefit to your customer because the repair can be completed in one service visit. But what it means for you is that if you can get more efficient by increasing your first-time completion rate, you can dramatically lower the cost of operating your business, thus making your company much more profitable. That being said, let's go ahead and connect the Bluetooth module to the dishwasher's Ethernet port located behind the toe kick plate. Now, open the SmartHQ service app, and in moments, your device will connect to the appliance. You can now view product information, recent bulletins, service manuals, and more. Once your device is connected, SmartHQ service will detect if an update is required. No need to check the website or call anyone for support. SmartHQ service eliminates all of the guesswork, and remember, it works with both Android and iOS devices. And now, let's start that update. From the dashboard screen, click Next. Click the Firmware Update button, and details about the update will populate on your screen. Click Start. Press and hold Yes for 3 seconds to confirm you'd like to start the update. In moments, the system will determine if an update is available and will proceed to execute it. During this time, it is very important that you do not close the app or disconnect the Bluetooth module. As we can see, a firmware update is indeed required. SmartHQ service will automatically update both boards 1 and 2. Upon successful completion, you will see this confirmation message. Now, simply click Done and you're all set. And just like that, my friends, the appliance is all up to date, and I can assure you your customer will be thrilled to know the repair has been completed. But most importantly, you may have just saved yourself a second trip, making SmartHQ service an indispensable part of your toolbox. Order yours today by visiting smarthqservice.com or call 502-714-2029. Once again, my friends, thank you so much for watching, and remember that at GE Appliances, we are not only here to help, we are here for you.